Earn $560 per image you upload 2021. Do you want to make some money by selling your images online? Are you looking for a platform where you can sell stock photos? Before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos we post. If you know where to sell your images online, you can simply make some additional money or even start a new profession as a photographer. Photographers of all levels of expertise are in high demand now more than ever. Large organizations, small and medium-sized businesses, bloggers, graphic designers, marketers, and publishers all purchase and use photos regularly on the internet. We will show you the top 12 locations to sell images online and make money doing what you love in the sky. Who buys stock photos and what kinds of photos sell well? Bloggers and small to medium-sized website proprietors are the major buyers of stock photographs. What are the most popular photographs they purchase? People working, food, tools, cities, nature, travel. Where should you sell your photographs online? Number 1. Owning a website. The most effective way to sell images online is through your website because of the following reasons. You can set your prices, no one else takes a cut, you have 100% control over how to display your photos, you can set your terms and conditions. In short, you're in control. Do you have a website but do not know where to start? It is not difficult to get started. Check out this basic WordPress tutorial on how to make a photography website. WordPress is used to produce the vast majority of professional photography websites on the internet. Following the creation of your website, you must present the photos in a visually appealing manner to attract visitors and persuade them to purchase your images. To build image galleries for your photos, we recommend utilizing a top-rated WordPress plugin like Gallery. To differentiate yourself from your competition, you can also create photo albums with gorgeous customizable light boxes to display and classify your images. The Gallery plugin also has a WooCommerce add-on that makes it simple to sell photographs. If you decide to sell your photos on your website, discover how to sell photos in WordPress. If you choose not to use WordPress, here is a comprehensive tutorial on building a website with Wix or Squarespace. Number 2. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock, previously Fotolia, is a stock photo marketplace run by Adobe, the company behind some of the most widely used photo editing products such as Photoshop and Lightroom. This platform has been active for more than a decade and is credited with being the first internet marketplace to sell photographs. Adobe Stock's royalty share is bigger than that of other online stores, which you will like. Photos posted to Fotolia became part of the Adobe Stock library, making them accessible to millions of Adobe users and potential buyers through other Adobe programs. With Adobe Stock, contributors can earn anywhere from 20% to 60%. Adobe Stock does not require you to give them sole selling rights to your photographs, unlike some other markets. As a result, you can simultaneously sell on Adobe Stock and other sites. Given Adobe's size, it seems probable that Adobe Stock will continue to be a popular site for stock photography buyers and sellers. Number 3. Shutterstock. For almost 15 years, Shutterstock has been a popular site for buying stock pictures online. They have approximately 200 million royalty-free photos, movies, and audio tracks available for purchase, which implies they have millions of paying clients. In the long term, as a photographer, you can make a lot of money using this marketplace. Shutterstock merchants have profited over $500 million worldwide, according to its website. Shutterstock allows you to safeguard your copyrights so you have complete control over how your photos are used. Shutterstock also offers credit to the image creators, which is a significant benefit that protects your intellectual property and promotes your business. When you sign up to contribute to the site, you will start earning money every time someone buys and downloads your stuff. As a contributor, you can earn anywhere from 20% to 30% of the sale price of your image, which Shutterstock pays out every month. Shutterstock, like Adobe Stock, does not compel you to utilize their marketplace entirely. You might even consider selling on both Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. You can start submitting your images using their portal by clicking here. Number 4. Alamy. Alamy is another excellent marketplace for selling stock photographs because it has no hard and fast regulations. Although it may not have as many purchasers as Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, it is nevertheless a strong challenger and a viable cash stream. Photographers can upload their images to Alamy without having to worry about licensing or other copyright concerns. Alamy has paid out $180 million to photographers so far. Alamy's charges are also competitive. The marketplace pays 50% of each sale to photographers, which is more than some of its competitors. Give Alamy a shot right now. To get started as a contributor, fill out the form below. Number 5. Etsy. You might not think of Etsy while looking for venues to sell stock photographs because it is more known as a marketplace for buying and selling unique handmade goods. Etsy, on the other hand, has over 30 million users and a variety of opportunities for you to sell your images. Etsy has a wider audience than most stock picture sites and a population that is ready to buy your images. You can sell digital photographs, but you can also sell prints on Etsy. So if you want to grow your photography business even more, Etsy is a terrific place to start. When selling prints, keep in mind that you will need to account for the costs of printing, packaging, and shipping. You can also price your images on Etsy, and you have complete control over how your photos are shown to customers. If you want complete control over your photo sales but do not want to build your website from the ground up, Etsy can be a good option. Number 6. Photomoto. Photomoto is a widget that links with your website to enable you to sell images online. It is not an internet marketplace. After you've added it to your site, Photomoto takes care of all the photo selling operations. Photomoto, like Etsy, allows you to sell digital images, photo prints, and even canvases to visitors to your website. Photomoto also takes care of the packaging of your material images for you, so you do not have to. If you want to sell actual photo prints or canvases, it could not get any easier. What makes Photomoto so appealing is that the widget can be customized. You can change the settings of the widget to show your branding information, including your logo. Customers will learn your brand and identify it with your photos in this way. Photomoto has several amazing features that will integrate smoothly with your existing WordPress site, whether you are a hobbyist photographer, a professional photographer, or even a graphic designer. To discover more about the widget's monthly tiered plans and transaction costs, go to its website. Number 7. Stock. Stock is a more passive method of monetizing your pictures. Simply create a free Stock account and upload your photographs. After the Stock team has reviewed your photographs, they will be added to your Stock portfolio for customers to purchase. You can give each image keywords and descriptions, which boost your chances of being approved by Stock editors. Those same keywords and descriptions can help people find your photos in a sea of stock photos on our site and others. Number 8. 500px. 500px is an online marketplace where you can sell your photos and build a portfolio. It is one of the top sites for selling images on the internet. This free service has a pulse algorithm that boosts your exposure by putting your new uploads on a discovery page that is viewed by thousands of people every day. This site also offers statistics and tracking capabilities, allowing you to compare your photographs to those of your competitors. Have you ever wondered how many times your photographs have been clicked? What about your position considering your peers? 500px can assist you in locating the answers to your most pressing questions. It is easy to get started with 500px. Simply create a free account and upload your photos. Then sit back and see what you come up with. Also, keep an eye out for contests that will help you make more money and obtain more recognition. Number 9. Snapped for You. Snapped for You makes it simple to sell your event images. Snapped for You was created to make your life easier and your wallet fatter if you shoot weddings, parties, engagements, or other events. You can create a gallery with Snapped for You and upload photographs from an event you shot to that gallery. Then you decide on a price for the images, and that is it. Snapped for You then sells your photographs as JPEG files and emails them to your buyers right away. The money you earn is then sent to you via PayPal on the 1st of each month by Snapped for You. Customers who book you for multiple events may always locate your photographs in the same location because each Snapped for You vendor has her gallery website. You may also share your personalized URL with anyone you believe would be interested in purchasing your images. On each sale, Snapped for You gives you the highest profit share. Snapped for You will charge a commission if the images sell for a good price. Number 10. Photo Shelter. Photo Shelter is an online store that sells and ships prints to customers. They enable you to create a template for sharing photos. However, to upload images, you must purchase space on their platform. There are several monthly and yearly plans available, each with its own set of features. Number 11. Tour Photos. Tour Photos is a global center for visitors and travel photographers. Many travel agencies and tour firms use it to sell images of their adventure excursions to attendees and the general public. It is a terrific way for trip photographers to sell their photographs to a similar audience online. Also, all of the wonderful photography that ends up on tour photos is likely to inspire you. We hope that this information has assisted you in locating the finest locations to sell images and earn money online. Let us know which stock photo site or method you are most excited to try in the comments. Thank you for watching!